In this lesson, we will explore the various operators available in Python. Operators are essential components of programming that allow us to manipulate data and perform operations. Understanding operators is crucial for writing effective Python code, as they enable us to carry out calculations, compare values, and manage logical operations. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on what are operators. Operators are special symbols in programming that perform operations on variables and values. In Python, operators can be categorized into several types. First, arithmetic operators, used for mathematical calculations. Also, comparison operators, used for comparing values. Also, logical operators, used for combining conditional statements. Also, assignment operators, used for assigning values to variables. Finally, bitwise operators, used for bit-level operations. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The basic arithmetic operators in Python include. There are several points on this slide. First, plus. Addition next. Subtraction also. Asterisk. Multiplication. Check the slide for the remaining items. Here is an example of using these arithmetic operators. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. Comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, true or false. The comparison operators in Python include. Let's walk through the main points. First, equals equals. Equal to next. Equals. Not equal to also. Greater than. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Here is an example of using comparison operators. See the example. On this slide, pause if you want to study the details. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. In Python, we have three logical operators, first and. Returns true if both statements are true also, or returns true if at least one statement is true finally. Not. Reverses the result. Returns true if the result is false. Here is an example of using logical operators. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The most common assignment operator is equals. Python also provides several compound assignment operators that combine an arithmetic operation with assignment. First, plus equals, adds and assigns also, dash equals, subtracts and assigns also, asterisk equals, multiplies and assigns also, / equals, divides and assigns finally, % equals, modulus and assigns. Here is an example of using assignment operators. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. So to recap, short recap, let's dig in. In this lesson, we covered the basic types of operators in Python, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operators. Each type of operator serves a distinct purpose and is fundamental to programming in Python. Mastering these operators will enable you to perform calculations, make comparisons, and manage logical conditions in your code. Alright, your turn. Give this a try. Now that you've learned about different types of operators, it's time to practice your skills. Here are some exercises you can try. First, write a Python program that uses all arithmetic operators with two numbers of your choice. Also, create a program that compares three different numbers and prints which one is the largest. Also, use logical operators to determine if a number is between two other numbers. Also, implement a program that demonstrates the use of assignment operators by performing multiple operations on a single variable. Finally, create a simple calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division based on user input.